Hello everyone, I'm Akshay and I hope you are doing good. So today I'm here with my bot called Vehix AI bot. So let's move to the problem statement. In the automotive industry, customers and internal teams often need quick access to the detailed vehicle configuration data from technical point of view or the design point of view. So today, this process is manual, time consuming and prone to errors. Imagine a sales team needing accurate CO2 emission, parking assistant, or the height of the vehicle for the particular models. So they spends hours to navigating the website, do the configure things, copying the data. So this slows down decision making and impact customer experience. So here, Vehix AI to solve this problem by automating data extracting and reporting, making it fast, accurate, and multi-language. So after hearing this, you might say why it matters. Okay, so so this matter because accurate vehicle data drives pricing decisions, compliance check, and customer trust. By automating this process, we save hours of manual work, reducing errors, and empower team to focus delivering value instead of searching a data. So let me walk you through the process that I have developed. Uh, I believe you can see my flow diagram that I have created. Okay, so this process triggers. So this process start with once the user trigger user trigger this process, the input form will come. So in that input form, user has to fill the configurator URL or the web page of the any automotive brands, and once the user has entered the URL, they have to select the categories, like what kind of data it's needed. Like you need exterior data or the interior data or technical data. So there is a drop down provided that will come. I will show you in the upcoming slide. And once the user has selected and hit submit, then there will be the task bot will run, which can do the website extraction. So here I have used the Python. In the Python, I use the Playwright library and Chromium theme. So whatever the user has entered the URL, this Python task will launch that URL in a Chromium and do the all the extraction and keep that output into the JSON format. Along with the output, we will capture the log as well. So once that this extraction is done, then I have created AI skill which can detect the language. So here the user not might be in a particular country. So there is the people who use this kind of extraction from the Japan or the Korea, German, China. So that's the reason I have added the AI skill which can detect the language. If it is not English, then there is one more AI skill which convert those JSON output into the English and then pass it to our AI agent. So then here in the green section, this entire work will be done by the AI agents. And for the AI agent, I have attached these tools, AI skills. So based on the criteria, the AI agents will see whether what is the criteria. It's exterior, interior, or technical. If it is exterior, it will extract only the exterior data, keep it in a separate text file, and along with that, if there is some data is not proper, so it will mark that as a null or missing, and it will go ahead with this data. And then last, in the blue section, I have created a traditional task bot which can take that data, create a report, and send that report as attachment via email to the requester, like who has raised this request. And as usual, the logs is important, so I have added the logs as well in this task. And with this, the process will get end. Okay, so so if I break down this process in a tool wise, so let me go through the automation event directly, and we'll show you how this process I have created. So as I said, once the process is triggered, it will start with the form. So let me trigger this one, and we'll show you how the form is look like. Uh, so interesting part here, I have added this image section. So where I have created this customized logo for my bot. So it's a Vehix AI. Then user has to enter URL and then category. I have created a drop down like technical, exterior, interior for now. And once they fill it, it will go ahead. So let me come back, and then here I have used our traditional bot, which can, as I said, we do the Python thing, do the extraction, and if that is success, then I'm going for the API task, and API task will do that language conversion and detection the language, and here's my AI agent will come, which can do all the braining or decision things, extraction or filter out the data based on the categories, decision making, like certain feature was not present. Even I have given some customized fields as well in English language. So this AI agent has to understand the feature I have provided and the feature that got extracted from the website, it should match. So for certain automobile industries, some feature name is they pronounce in a different words, and then whatever the this is not similar for the other countries as well. China will call some other, that same feature will China called in different word, Japan call in different word, in India they call in a different word. So the AI agent has to think in a such a way that it should map the feature that they ask. Okay, so this is the things, this is the tools that I've used. Let me go to my bot store so I can show you. So I have used, so this two task bot, then two AI skills, and this AI skill I'm calling through this API task. There is one form, and this is the brain of the this process, that is AI agent, and this entire things I have tie up with the process, uh, and it's fine. So now let's see the bot in action. So watch this Vehix AI in action, from the URL input to JSON extraction and report delivered in a second. So for your example, I will take as a Mercedes, and in the Mercedes, I will take, this is the model. So this is in a German. So let's see how it will convert and what the result we will get it. So the user has to enter the URL, and then for now I will go with the technical things and just hit submit. Okay, so here's the first task will come, like the extraction one. So for the extraction, it will take around 1 minute to go through this website and extract everything which is present. Even I have written code in such a way that if there is a drop down or there is a toggle button, there is a hyperlinks, there is some tabs present. So code has to go expand those things and read the entire data, keep it in a JSON. I choose the JSON because it will come as a key value pair, so it will be easier to detect and map with the value that I wanted from the website. So as you can see, this URL is launched in the Chromium window, yeah, or I can say a Chromium browser, and it is just expanding the sections and extracting all the values which is present in the website along with the price. Okay, so just wait, it will just finish in a 1 or 2 minute, and then our brain will start then. Okay. So here it is not limited to use this brand only, the Mercedes only. You can choose any automotive URLs like Audi, BMW, uh, Tesla. You can choose anything. Just pass the URL. It has the playwright things to extract everything which is present in the URL, keep in a structured way, and pass it further. Okay, so this is the thing. So let's wait till this extraction part is finished. Yep, I believe it has done the task, and now the language detection AI skill will run. It will detect in which language the data got extracted by the previous bot, and accordingly, that output will pass to the next AI skill, and mainly since this is the German language, so it will send that name as a German to the next task, and then next task will take that as an input and convert those output JSON into the English and then pass it to the AI agent. So here it will take some time to detect the language and convert that to the English and pass it to the AI agent. Just bear with me for a couple of seconds and then it will done. Yes, that thing has completed now, the AI skill task, uh, and it has moved to the AI agent, and that AI agent also segregated and then report task. We'll create a final report. So for, as I said, I have used the traditional task bot and that report has created and send an email to the user. So let me go, let me see how the output has come. So this is the final file. So as I select the technical things, so I got this many data, which is in a proper format. Even there is a logs I have recorded, like for which once the bot has completed. So there are a couple of logs, a requester sent, so report sent to the requester with this ID, and user will get an email. Yep. So that's all for this thing. And so this Vehix AI like transforms a manual error from process into an intelligent automated workflow. It saves time. Uh, it saves times, improve accuracy, and scale across multiple language and vehicle models. So in the future, we plan to extend this to other brands and integrate things. Okay, so that's all from this my agents, and hope you like these things. Yeah, thank you.